Hey everyone, welcome to Tech Titan Reviews. Today we're diving into the future of action cameras with the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, a highly anticipated release set to shake up the world of photography and videography. This action camera from DJI promises a range of next-level features that could make it a top contender for 2024. Whether you're a professional filmmaker, an adventurer, or a hobbyist, this device aims to offer groundbreaking tools that meet every need. DJI has established a solid reputation with its Osmo Action series, and the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro takes this legacy to the next level. With cutting-edge improvements, such as enhanced image resolution, superior video quality, and innovative features, it positions itself as a powerful rival to industry stalwarts like GoPro. One of the most talked-about aspects of the Osmo Action 5 Pro is its rumored 40-megapixel camera. When it comes to video, the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro doesn't disappoint. This model is rumored to support 4K video recording at 120 frames per second (FPS) and 1080p at an impressive 200 FPS. These settings make the camera perfect for high-action, slow-motion footage, whether you're recording extreme sports, fast-moving wildlife, or immersive travel vlogs. The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is expected to feature a significantly improved battery life of up to 4 hours of continuous recording. Battery life has always been a concern for action camera users, particularly for those in remote or rugged locations. Having a long-lasting battery means less worrying about recharging and more time capturing your adventures. The Osmo Action 5 Pro is rumored to come with 64 gigabytes of internal storage, a notable upgrade over many other action cameras that rely solely on external memory cards. This built-in storage capacity makes it easier for users to start recording immediately without worrying about additional purchases or memory compatibility. For those who record in 4K resolution, file sizes can be enormous, and having this much internal storage will allow creators to focus on capturing content rather than constantly managing storage. It's an ideal solution for adventurers who need to shoot in remote areas without the ability to transfer files easily. The camera is rumored to be waterproof up to 60 meters, about 200 feet, making it perfect for underwater videography and photography. As we look forward to the official release of the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, it's clear that this action camera is gearing up to be a game changer for both amateur and professional content creators. Its combination of a 40-megapixel camera, 4K 120 FPS video recording, extended battery life, and durable design makes it one of the most promising action cameras on the horizon. For anyone looking to capture stunning action shots in 2024, whether on land, in the water, or in the air, the Osmo Action 5 Pro is shaping up to be the perfect companion. Stay tuned for more updates.